Hi everybody, today my homework is linking sound. Let's start. First, consonant vowels. English, speak it, write it, read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget, first you close it, then you lock it, and put the key back in your pocket. Busy, work all day, run away, boss me, can't agree, fill a cup. Drink it up, wait a while, walk a mile, meet a day, don't be late. The second consonant, outdoor, outdoor, her breath, be global, big global, right time, top player, black cape. Rose is our youngest daughter. She's wearing a red t-shirt. It's a big computer company. Its alarm clock goes off at 8. I love ripe bananas. What are my job prospects? Third, dutcha, kucha, dutcha, don'tcha. Dutcha called about the job. What did you find out? Good address travel? Why did you tell me? Did you measure in measurement? Don't speak Japanese? What's name? Whose mother? Whose mother? Thanks for listening. Bye.